Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to uninstall ExpressVPN from your device, step by step. First, go to your Windows search bar and search for Control Panel. Once you have opened the Control Panel, go to Uninstall a Program. From here, locate ExpressVPN and uninstall it. Choose Uninstall, and your uninstall will begin. Once the uninstall finished, many users still have reported the ExpressVPN running in the background. To uninstall or remove any of its remain completely, go to your Chrome and search for Revo Uninstaller and download it from the official website. It's free to download, and I have already downloaded it. Open the Revo Uninstaller and search for ExpressVPN. As you can see, my system has completely deleted the ExpressVPN. But if you are having the problem of ExpressVPN running in the background installation, you can search ExpressVPN and remove all of its remain completely from the Revo Uninstaller. It's pretty simple, and that's it. You have successfully uninstalled ExpressVPN in 2025. For more quick tech tutorials, check out our next DelftStack video.